Hi, this will be a short tutorial on integrating a GoDaddy domain name with MailRush. When you sign up with MailRush, we provide you a few DNS records. These are records that you will need to enter into the DNS manager of your domain name. Since the domain name is in GoDaddy, we are going to go to the GoDaddy account. Then, we're going to go to the My Products page, and you're going to search for your domain name. In our case, for this test, we are using the domain name leadsender.io, and what we need to find here is the DNS option. The next step is to click on DNS. Here you will find a few predefined DNS records related to your GoDaddy account. You must have a domain name and a web hosting account or an email service to use MailRush. We are going to proceed to add our first DNS record. At MailRush, you will see 3 columns: one type column, a host column, and a value column. We are going to use these details at the GoDaddy DNS manager. Click on Add. The first record we will enter is the A record. And, for the most part, we will copy and paste these details. When done, click on Save. We have successfully added our first record. Now we are going to add the MX record. Add a new MX record. Add the host, the value, use 1 as the priority, and the default TTL is OK. Repeat this process for the rest of the records, and once you have completed the task, click on Validate DNS Records to verify your DNS additions. You should pass all the items in the validation for more effective email deliverability. You have learned how to integrate your GoDaddy domain name with MailRush. Thank you for your time and enjoy your account.